Good afternoon. I'm Sanjeev from VC Media. We cover events, exhibitions, and seminars in NCR. And on behalf of VC Media, I would like to welcome Mr. Devendra Singh Bhati, who is the founder and director, and Mr. Janendra Jain from Invigorate Biotechnologies LLP. And we wish to understand from him his journey and his roadmap inwards and his participation in marketing today.
Good afternoon. We are Invigorate Biotechnology, a startup based in Mohali. And we work primarily in biotechnology. And currently we are working in cell and gene therapy domain, where we are developing CAR T therapies, which actually treats cancer, we can say. So this is in brief what we are doing.
So, how do you proceed for this kind of an activity? And who are your channel partners for this activity?
This is means activity which is purely done by our R&D team. So as far as collaboration is concerned, we are looking for collaboration. Right now, everything is done by us. And government participation or collaboration, we are incubated at Punjab Biotechnology Incubator. So Punjab Biotechnology Incubator is a government of Punjab startup Punjab initiative, where they welcome startup to carry out their research and convert that research into a product or technology.
So this startup started, when did you started this activity as a startup?
We have started our this startup in December 2022. It's been 2 years and it's been an eventful journey. We have started with an aim to come up with a cell therapy which is affordable. A common man can think of having this cell therapy. Right now, the cost of a cell therapy is quite high.
Right.
And even in India, it is costing quite high, which is out of reach of our companies.
Very.
Our aim is to make it affordable. We are doing every bit of effort so that we can reduce the cost, which brings it down to the affordable range.
So any measures or any technology that you're using which is helping you in reducing the cost?
We are doing everything in-house. Like viral vector, we are doing in-house, and we are making all the changes which can make it effective and also at the same time affordable and cost-effective.
So once you're doing this research, do you have to do a special kind of a setup here?
Yeah, a specific type of labs are required which are catering biotechnology needs. So that setup is available with us at Punjab Biotechnology Incubator. So as far as government part is there, they have certain kind of setup, and some part is to be bring into by the original researchers, which are we like. So it is an amalgamation of both startup as well as government setup. So
You get some facilities at the start incubator, and you gather some facility in-house for you because you have a specific kind of field of work to work with. So they will require some specific kind of equipment which normal labs will not have. So we have those capacities in-house, and we have support from the BTI Punjab Biotechnology Incubator to execute our work, and it's been a smooth journey for us. Right?
And what are your takeaways from Startup Mahakumbh?
this is a great opportunity and platform. You interact with other startup first. Kind of work they are doing, you come to know, and the kind of work you are doing, you can express and see the opportunity of collaboration or association. So it is a platform where you can actually see the how you can take your organization to a different level or certain goal.
So it's a work opportunity and a business opportunity at Mahakumbh.
Both.
It's about both the work opportunity, business opportunity, as well as the validation what you are doing. You're doing an app in a closed atmosphere. So you have a lot of people to interact with. You can validate what you are doing, and you can see what the path where industry is moving and where we should make our efforts to get to our goals.
If you understand the economy, you understand the efforts other people are doing, and you are able to show them that what you are doing. So Devendra is rightly said that it sort of validation and confirmation of what you are doing and what other are doing. It is a great.
Evaluating yourself and then moving in the right direction.
Yeah. Yes. It's in a dynamic system.
Anything you want to communicate to the people visiting this store?
Whosoever is thinking of starting something on their own, so they need to be first ready to face failures. Honesty, where one can understand that what he or she requires and where they want to go. So that if it is decided, your battle is half won. So
Fine.
yeah. So that is one thing where you can one can think of and never I would say never hesitate to face failure or challenges.
Anybody wanting to join hands with you, they can connect with you.
Yes, definitely. We'll definitely collaborate or see if the opportunity is to collaborate. We will definitely welcome them.
So on that note, I would like to thank you for your precious time, and we hope that you get more mileage out of this event. And next time when we meet, yes, you have to focus on other activities.
Thank you.
For BC Media to come to us and interact and to know about our journey and what we want to do and how we want to make some positive changes in the society, especially in the field of the cancer therapies. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.